Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Chromium. First, let's establish the foundational shape. Begin by sketching a large, slightly flattened oval for the main body. This will serve as the base for our character. Next, add two smaller, elongated ovals on top, positioned about 1/3 of the way down the main oval. These will become the eyes, giving our Chromium its distinct look. Now, let's bring more life to our Chromium's face. Inside each eye oval, draw a smaller circle to represent the pupils. For the mouth, sketch a wide, curved line just below the eyes, giving it a friendly expression. Then, add two small, rounded rectangles within the mouth for its characteristic teeth. These simple additions truly begin to define its unique personality and charm. Moving on to the body and limbs, we'll give our Chromium some essential structure. Connect the head to a larger, rounded rectangular body, making it appear robust and strong. Next, draw two short, thick arms extending from the upper sides of the body. Finally, add two sturdy, slightly curved legs below the body, ensuring they look capable of supporting its entire weight. For our final steps, we'll refine the drawing and add some finishing touches. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines to create a clean, crisp outline for your Chromium. Then, add some simple shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Use a darker outline for key features like the eyes and mouth to make them truly stand out. You've now drawn your very own Chromium.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.